So here we are today with the new product. This is a pallet fork lift system. So here are the instructions. Here's the equipment, and we're gonna use it on this Kubota tractor. This is very useful equipment here at the farm. And we brought the whole thing on that Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. So I'm gonna back it up here and make the lift easier to move. So let's see the instructions again. Well, this is just a support system. So this part here, you can hear the horses back there. This part here will fit exactly here, maybe in these holes. So we'll make it that easy. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it looks like that's... Let's try it. Actually, we can partially put it here. There, but I don't think this is secure, so let me see what else we need to do to secure it. So the instructions aren't very clear, but it looks like you just put this arm here, so you just tight the bolt here, makes force. It doesn't look very good that it's just loosened like that. Maybe you can put even a piece of wood or something there to make it stronger. And then this one connect side to side. This one here, we're gonna loose up that one to install it the same way, and we'll see how it works. We put a piece of wood here, right? It will be stronger, fit like that. And then this one, that's better, no? Don't you think? Huh? Yes. That's stronger. Stays like that. So have to figure out this one. Oh, muy ancho. Have to move it. Muévelo ahí. Aguántalo ahí en el medio para engancharlo. Okay, I think that's it. Tie this one up a little bit. So now, looks like it's it. That's it. So as you can see, we made it too wide to fit here, and then the pallet, we have to adjust that by moving them inwards. ¿Movemos uno o los dos?
Solo uno. Hay que doblar aquí.
Oh, okay. Baja y sácalo. So this is the original accessory for the pallet lift that came with a Kubota tractor. For this one, here it is. For this one, you have to install the whole thing and replace it here. With this one, as you can see, you just hook it up there and it's there. It doesn't take any space to store or anything, and it's basically 2 bolts and it's good to go. So here it is. That gonna make your life easy?
Yes.
Cool.
It's good.